Namaskaram. Welcome back to error handling questions. Rewrite the following code in Python after removing all syntax errors. Underline each correction done in the code. Next question. See the first statement. Function header def. Here D must be in lowercase. Okay. Then program execution goes to here for in a list. To iterate through this list, you have to give a loop variable. Here from this function call, we can identify the loop variable is n. So here you have to give for n in, then a list. At last you have to give colon also. Okay. Then call the function demo. Come to the function s equal to a string. Then print s star str of n. N is a number and that number is converted into string. Then it is trying to multiply that string with another string s. Can we multiply two strings? No. This one you can correct in two ways. One method is using concatenation operator instead of star. That is, you can concatenate two strings. One method is this one, and the second method is here star itself. Then remove the function str given here. Okay. Now n is an integer 2, 3 or 4. Then that integer is multiplied with s. String replication. This also correct. What will be the output? In first iteration 2 will be passed to the function demo. Then print a 2 times. S star 2. Then in next iteration, next function call, a is printed 3 times. Then 4 times. Next question. S equal to computer science. See the quotes. Here it is single quote and here it is double quotes. So you can correct it like this. Put a single quotes here or you can use double quotes in both the places. Okay. Underline. Next statement. For I in ln of s. What is missing here? Range function. Range. For I in range, then the bracket you have to close here. Okay. Underline the error. So error number 1, 2 and 3. Then the next statement, print subject. What is missing here? Comma. Then s of I end equal to empty string. So underline this also. Total 4 errors. Okay. Next question. A tuple t equal to 2, 3, 4. No error there. Then for n in range, ln of t. What is wrong with this statement? Yes, colon is missing. Put the colon. Underline. Okay. The next statement, tot plus equal to ti. See here round bracket is given. You have to use square bracket. To access an element in a tuple, you have to use square bracket. Then this statement tot plus equal to t of I is equivalent to what? Tot equal to tot plus t of I. Isn't it? So here the variable tot is used before defining. That is tot equal to tot plus t of I is given. Then what is this tot? It is unknown. So before using a variable you have to define that variable. So just give tot equal to 0. T lowercase. Okay. Then see what is given as loop variable. It is n here. Then what is given here? T of I. So you have to give n instead of I here. Here you have to give n. Otherwise, you can correct here the loop variable. You can change it to I. This variable and this variable must be the same. Next question. T equal to a tuple. Then for I in range, ln of t. What is wrong with this statement? Instead of capital letter F, you have to give small letter f. 4 is a keyword. Then for I in range, what about this len function? this L must be in lowercase. Function name len is lowercase. So 2 errors here. One this one, then second one. Okay. Then next statement, t of I equal to t of I plus 2. That is, through this statement, we are trying to change the value of an element in that tuple. Is it possible to change the values in a tuple? No, tuple is immutable. So if you want to execute this statement, this t must be a list. It should not be a tuple. Okay. Then see the last statement, print t of 5. What about the case? P is given as uppercase here. That you have to change into lowercase. Total 4 errors.